it's Jason. We back with another video for you guys, and we back to vlogging. We've been staying consistent with this just because, yo, I'm telling you guys, I'm having a lot of fun. Drop a like on this video if you guys are enjoying my vlogs. If you're new to my channel, just wait, you know what I mean? Stick around, see if you like the content, then hit subscribe. But anyways, yo, I wanted to start vlogging today just because I was gonna hold off, you know what I mean? I've been trying to do my weekly thing, but my new iPhone got here. And bro, like I wanted you guys to come around on the journey, man. I gotta share. I gotta share this experience with you guys. I got the 12 Pro. I got my current iPhone in my pocket. We're gonna back that up. We're gonna transfer my stuff over to my iPhone 12 Pro. We got the package right here. It's on my bed. We chilling. Just got back from the gym. That's why we dressed like this. We got my little trade-in box because we're gonna send my old phone back. We got a little bit of my breakfast here. I ate pancakes already, so this is kind of like what's left. Got my yogurt, my apple, my sandwich. But yeah, you know what I mean? Breakfast, gym, my daily routine. We sticking on the grind. But I just really wanted to bring you guys along unboxing this new iPhone. So let me set this up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, part of the reason I got the iPhone 12 Pro and not the regular 12, honestly, it's like a toss-up because they're really the same thing. But the 12 Pro, honestly, obviously, because I'm in, you know, videography, filmmaking, and kind of this like little creative field, I figured I'd get the 12 Pro just because it has the third camera. The camera's a little better on there. I'm not a fan of like the big size of the 12 Pro Max. I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, if I really cared that much about like the camera and the camera specs and the camera quality, why didn't I just go for the 12 Pro Max? And that's just because, one, I don't like big phones. I don't like super big phones. If I can't really reach the whole screen, then I don't want it. Two, I watched Mark S. Brownlee's video, and honestly, the difference between the 12 Pro Max and the 12 Pro in terms of camera quality is literally next to nothing. You know what I mean? Like, even though they have more tech in the 12 Pro Max camera, the difference is so minimal that it doesn't even matter. I'll link his video down in the description for you guys if you guys want to watch it. You know, I'm not lying, just, you know, check it out, see what you guys think. Maybe I'm wrong, but I mean, Marcus Brownlee himself said the difference was minimal, so I'd rather go with the phone that I am gonna enjoy a lot more. Alright guys, backup finally finished up. This took way longer than I wanted it to, but we finally are good. Last backed up 12:29 p.m. If it would focus. There you go, G7X. We got it. Trade-in box. I thought this was the box that the 12 Pro was in. This is the trade-in box. We got the bad boy right here, boys. Honestly, watching the unboxings of the 12 Pro, I know that it doesn't come with I think the wall block. I think it still comes with a charger, but it doesn't come with a wall block. It doesn't come with headphones. Just because Apple claims it's saving resources. Apple, we know why you're doing it, man. We know what you guys are really up to. Stop lying. Guys, I have scissors, I don't think. I could have swore I did before, though. Hold up. Hey, we found the scissors, boys. That's what's up. Let's get it. I think the last time I did an unboxing on my channel was the Ronin S. I think so. I think the Ronin S was the last time I did an unboxing. Also, this isn't really an unboxing, but it's all good. Oh wait, no, I lied. I'm stupid. I literally did an unboxing just the other week with my my Apple Watch. Yo, the boxes are so ugly now. Like, look at this. The boxes used to be so much more cool back when I worked at Verizon. Like, I get they're cutting, you know what I mean, they're saving space and everything, but this looks stupid. I'm not a fan. I think this design is plain, it's boring, nothing cool about it. I'm gonna put that there. But you guys already know I had to go with the Pacific Blue. Blue is like one of my favorite colors, and blue on an iPhone. I haven't had a blue iPhone since the iPhone 5C, and this has like the body of the 5. So we really going back. We really going back to the basics right now. iPhone 5 is the best iPhone body. I put that on everything. Put it down in the comments what iPhone body you think is the best. That or the 6S. The 6S was pretty good too, but I think the 5s was peak iPhone. Woo! Yo, straight up, yo. Guys, like, this looks way better in person. The color is like it's kind of, I don't know. It's like perfect. But it has like a green hue to it. I don't even know how to. Oof. Like, I mean, I guess I should have understood that from them calling it Pacific Blue. But this is nice. Like, I mess with this heavy. I mess with this heavy, guys. So once again, it comes with a lightning cable, but they're not giving you the power brick, which is fine. I get it. Apple kind of understands their customers. They figure that, you know, we're gonna have a power brick anyways, which they're not wrong. But like, really, bro, this is it. USB-C to lightning. Oh, focus. So yeah, it's USB-C to lightning because Apple still, for some reason, won't give up the lightning cable. Apple needs to get with the times. I don't understand. We got the 12 Pro, and we got my 10s, which is like 2 years old. It is slightly bigger. It is very slight. Luckily, I don't think I'm gonna really notice the difference, which is I'm kind of glad about it because, like I said, I'm not a big fan of like super big phones, but yeah, definitely not too big of a size difference. I want to get the screen all like scratched up and everything like that because I don't have a screen protector yet, but not a big size difference at all. It's more satisfying to hold the 12 in my hand. Oh, it just feels so nice. Like I said, the 5 was the best body, so holding it in my hand is way more satisfying. The 10s kind of feels like, at this point, it kind of feels cheap a little bit. But it is more, I don't know, this is more satisfying to hold, the 12 Pro. But the 10s is more comfortable because the sides are rounded. So it really is a toss-up. If you guys have copped the 12 yet, let me know how you guys think about, you know, how it feels in your hand. But it's not too bad. Let's boot this bad boy up. Honestly, that's what we're really excited about, right? Alright guys, I just had a long, like, interesting process of setting up my new iPhone. But we good. We got my new iPhone. It's right there. We chilling, looking clean. It's just backing up a lot of my stuff. So yeah, man, I'm pretty hyped. We got the old iPhone right there. This thing is no better than like glorified iPod at this point. So today was the day I was gonna try to film the solo B-roll video. Not guaranteeing anything because it seems like every single time I bring this up, it just don't work out that way. But for real, we gonna just see how the day goes, man. These vlogs, we just seeing how the days go. I want to try to shorten these vlogs, pull more editing. 15, 18 minutes max, but 15 is what I'm shooting for. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. What's good, guys? So we're back outside. I was attempting to film the solo B-roll video. As you guys can see, it snowed from my last vlog. You guys know that. And yeah, so right now we 0 for 2, bro. We 0 for 2 on some real stuff, man. Whew. I was attempting to film the solo B-roll. It's cold out here again, you know what I mean? So, but luckily that wasn't the reason I stopped. Well, not luckily, very unluckily. So my camera died mid-shoot, so that's my luck. And my hands are absolutely frozen. Camera died mid-shoot. It's beautiful out here. Like I said this last vlog, right? But the snow just looks so good in the environment. It just looks so nice, dude. Like, I'm actually so upset. And now, if I want to continue with the footage that I just shot, I gotta come back out here at the same time, which is not good because it doesn't leave much time for me to film anything. So, a little bummed about that. I was really trying to be productive again, and we just keep striking out. But anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get back to the crib. Hey, so I haven't vlogged too much today, guys. Today's the 23rd. I just got my hair rebraided. If you guys can see that, that's why I got the do-rag on. But yeah, I haven't really vlogged too much since I got the iPhone 12 Pro. I think I want to do a little video on it. Got myself a little case. It's a dope phone, guys. Like, it really is a dope phone. It's like the same thing is the 10s, really. But I really want to try out the camera. I'll probably do a video on the camera, honestly, just to you know, just get some more content up on the channel, but honestly just to see the filmmaking aspects, because I've seen a lot of like smartphone filmmaking that people have been doing, so I think I want to check that out. But yeah, guys, I'm back to using the GH4 on and off. I'm not gonna solely do this vlog on the GH4, but honestly I think I'm gonna, you know, combine some clips with the G7X, combine some clips with the GH4, and just like I said, I want you guys to compare. But I definitely enjoy vlogging on the G7X more just because the autofocus. But when I can whip out the GH4, I definitely will. And, you know, to get some B-roll and everything like that. But, yo, honestly, when I was getting my hair braided, my braider, we were having, like, a real conversation. you know, just like real, just talking business, talking just life stuff. And you know, she started her business from the ground up, guys. Like no college degree, no nothing. She's a high school dropout. She's a high school dropout, guys. And I'm not saying everybody has to go drop out of college, everybody has to go drop out of high school or whatever it is to be successful, but it's just inspiring seeing that she grew herself up from the bottom as a high school dropout, as a college dropout, and now she braiding hair, traveling the world, well, before COVID, but making more than some people with PhDs, bro. It's crazy. So I say that to remind myself mostly, but also remind you guys, like, if you put your mind to it, get rid of the doubt. Every time like nowadays, whenever I get a doubt in my head, I just push it off to the side. I'm gonna keep going. Every time I doubt myself that I could do this film stuff, I push it off to the side. I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna go full force with this stuff, man. I doubt myself super crazy. Like I said, we up in the quality of these vlogs, with each and every video. I want to try to get some B-roll and just have some fun with this. I don't want to ramble all the time, but since I'm not gonna pretend like I'm going places just to vlog. Like, I'm gonna vlog my day. I'm gonna vlog me talking. I'm gonna speak with the camera. I always have thoughts going off in my head, and I want to display it to you guys because this is what I do. I be thinking, and I like talking, and I like talking about real stuff. So, anyways, guys, I work tomorrow, so probably you won't see a vlog from me tomorrow, or you won't see any clips from me tomorrow. But we'll see what happens. I really want to get that solo B-roll video done. Been talking about that in the last few vlogs. We're going to get it done for sure. I don't know if I'll vlog it, but we'll see what happens. Right now, we just chilling, though, guys. Like, really, I'm just watching my vlog that just went up yesterday. You guys seem to actually really, receive this video well. Shout out to Zudi ASMR. You commented on my video. So, yeah, this video's performance has been doing, better than my last recent videos in the same amount of time. So, it's really dope to see that you guys are enjoying the videos. And, if you guys don't have this tool for YouTube, it's called TubeBuddy. It'll kind of show you how your tags and everything rank in the search. And yeah, it makes sense. Like, a bunch of these tags are ranking in search. So it does make sense that this video is definitely doing better than usual. And I'm super hyped, guys. I want to try to keep uploading and just keep that momentum going because, once I start seeing growth come towards the channel, I think it makes no sense to slow down and not give you guys a chance to really subscribe to the channel and really enjoy what I'm doing. So really glad to see that these videos are doing well. Really really nice to know that my videos are being watched. I try not to pay attention to numbers, but what can you do when you see numbers go up or whatever like that? You're gonna feel good. So you guys, I've been reading The Lightning Thief. This is one of my favorite books from when I was younger. If you guys haven't read this book, I definitely recommend reading The Lightning Thief, man. This book is so interesting. And the fact that I still enjoy reading it after like 10 years is super, super dope. And I just think reading like an actual paperback book, not being on your phone, you know what I mean, it's a different experience than like scrolling through your phone or whatever, reading like an audiobook. Nothing wrong with those, but like I think it is dope to go back and read real books after a while. I think, personally, I just think it does something for your brain, so. Alright guys, figured I'd pull over. So literally right now I'm in the parking lot of a Best Buy, right? As funny as that is, I'm in the parking lot of a Best Buy. And so I tried to go out and film the solo B-roll video. As you guys know, that for some reason has not been working out. And yeah, so I went out there. Guys, the first time my camera died, right? I get out there, and this time my faceplate for my Ronin S is not there. And I'm like, bro, this video must not be meant to be, man. Like this, I'm just playing, like I'm gonna keep trying, but like this is 2 vlogs in a row that I'm coming to you guys saying that I haven't gotten that solo B-roll video done, you know what I mean? I went out and I got some B-roll for the vlog, so luckily you know, there was no way I was gonna go home empty-handed. You know what I mean? I had to go out. I had to go out and at least get some clips for the vlog. So I went out and I got some clips for the vlog. So that's it. I'm trying to keep these videos short, like I said, guys. I don't really want a 20-minute vlog again. But I just want to give you guys a quick little update. I went to Best Buy because I wanted to try to buy a tripod, because I've just been using my Ronin S, right, for all my solo B-roll videos and just videos out in nature, or just in general, you know what I mean, videos where I'm out traveling. So yeah, I was out at Best Buy trying to buy a tripod. They're kind of expensive. I feel like I could find something cheaper at Amazon. The only reason is I wanted one for tomorrow, because I want to go back out and try to film the solo B-roll video tomorrow as well. But I think I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna research, see if I can find some tripods for the low. And if not, then I'll just come back to Best Buy tomorrow and we'll do it up. We'll buy it. So hi guys, we back home. I just been chilling. I haven't really been doing anything film related. I just been like watching YouTube videos and really just, you know, being laid back, just trying to think in my head of what the next move is. Tomorrow, like I said, I may or may not purchase a tripod, because I think, you know, you would think I would have a tripod before a gimbal. You know, one of the most basic filmmaking essentials, really. But I just haven't really been interested in getting a tripod till now. And honestly, like I said, I might cop one tomorrow. I might not. We'll see how tomorrow goes. I don't know if I'm going to be filming the solo B-roll video. I might just finish off this vlog. Well, not might. I'm going to finish off this vlog, and that's probably going to be, you know, what I'm going to be doing for editing in terms of productivity tomorrow, and maybe filming another commentary video. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to try to cut it down a little shorter, like I've been saying. So let me know what you guys want to see in terms of vlog content, where I could improve, what you guys want to see more of, and maybe what you guys don't like. Put it down in the comments. Appreciate the love on that last video, guys. I've been seeing a lot of views. The Canon G7X video has been getting a lot more engagement than a lot of my other previous videos in a shorter amount of time. So clearly I'm doing something right, and hopefully you guys will stick around, like the video, subscribe, and you'll see a lot more content coming from me in the future. So anyway, guys, this is Jason Morrison. I don't really want to do an outro for all these videos, but I figured I'd just drop one on here. I've been really enjoying doing the vlogs. I'm not going to lie, I've been enjoying it way more than I thought, and I'm going to keep it going. And I'm going to try to keep this flow of content on the way. So 2021, I'm not saying it's going to be our year, but it is going to be our year. You know what I mean? We're going to step it up. I'm just going to do whatever it takes, and it's go big or go home, right? So hopefully I remember that. Let's go.